Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's Get Ready With Me, I'm gonna go for like a lavender mint look. So let's get started. Let's start with BB cream. So how was everyone's weekend? Did you do anything fun? I don't think I did anything like super exciting. I went grocery shopping with a friend and then she came over, we played video games and we made her dinner. And then what did I do yesterday? Sunday. I honestly don't remember what I did yesterday. Oh, we went to go get bubble tea and then we ate hot pot. I just played video games all day. I'm gonna put on a little bit of concealer, blending everything out. So I started playing this game called Dave the Diver and I wanted to play it because it looked like it would be like a peaceful, relaxing game, but boy was I wrong. That game is so freaking stressful. Oh my goodness, there's so many bosses that I have to fight and some of the missions that I have to complete are so difficult for me. Like I thought it was going to be like Stardew Valley, but it's not. But then again, I've never played Stardew Valley, so I don't know what I'm talking about. I played that game for 10 hours and I googled like how long it takes to finish that game. 44 hours. It takes 44 hours to finish that game. So I told that to my husband and he's like, oh, you're halfway there, not realizing that I'm not a gamer and I am not really fast with my tasks. It takes me so long to complete a mission. There's just like so much to do. Like you have a farm, then you have a fish farm, then you have to go to the sea and catch fish, and then you have to go to the sea people's village and finish their task and their mission. Ay, it's a lot. But I do want to say the graphics in the video game is superior. Like it is so good, and the animation as well. It's just so funny, so well made. I think everyone should try and play this game because it's a really good game. Like I am enjoying it. It's just a little bit too hard for me. Yeah, but that's what I've been doing a lot. I've just been playing video games. I've just been staying at home and playing video games. Let's quickly do my brows. Let's move on to the eyes. I was not having a good day today. Maybe my makeup will change my mood today. Damn. I thought this makeup palette had a mint color, but there's no mint. So now I have to like change my route. So it's not gonna be a lavender mint look. It's just going to be a simple lavender look today. First, I'm going to put a base color down. I'm gonna take this color. This is gonna go all over the lid and also the bottom lash line, just roughly. I'm not too careful with this one because you can't really see it and it's just a base color. And I'm gonna go with this color now with a fluffy brush. I'm just placing this on top of where my eyes fold. And I'm just applying this so that the purple has like a nice transition, but it's not going to have that harsh purple line. Now I'm going to take this really light purple color and then I'm going to apply that all over my eyelid. And I'm also gonna apply it like right here as well. I'm applying it pretty high. I'm also going to apply this on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take this purple, just a little bit of it, like this much, not a lot, and I'm going to add that to my outer corner and like really blending it out because I don't want it too harsh. I also realized the color is really pigmented, so I have to be very careful with how much product I'm grabbing because if I grab...
Also, my interview got canceled.
Oh no, I lost my train of thought. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. So yeah, I'm just putting like a little bit there to give it a nice shadow. I'm not used to like this type of pigmentation because some of like the Korean products, they are not heavily pigmented. So that's why it's like really good for people who are new to makeup because like you can gradually build up the colors. But with a lot of like American Western brands, the pigmentation is really strong. So you have to be very careful with the amount of product you grab. I'm grabbing the same color with a small brush and just applying it on the outer lower lash line. I'm grabbing a little bit more of the darker purple and I'm gonna just apply it right here. But I'm not gonna go above my fold. I'm doing this so that it creates a little bit of shadow and depth. Okay, so now I want to use this gel eyeshadow. It has like it's purple, but it has like a green iridescent. What is this thing called? It's not glitter. Chrome? My brain is not braining today. But it's purple, but it has like a little bit like a green chrome to it. So I'm going to apply this in the middle of my eyes. And I'm just gonna use a finger. I'm just grabbing a little bit on my ring finger. The texture is like weird. It is a gel eyeshadow, so the texture is like really like squishy. I'm just gonna tap it on the center of my eyelids, bring it up a little like this. Ooh, that's pretty. Now I'm gonna take a brush. It's a very tiny brush and I'm going to apply this on my lower lash line, but like just on the center, just on the center right here. Now I'm gonna line my eyes, but I'm gonna use the dark purple to line my eyes. Okay, now I'm just going to tight line my eyes. I don't think I'm going to apply lashes for this look. I'm taking a nude liner and I'm just like lining the outer half of my lower waterline. I'm gonna go back to my eyes. I'm gonna take this this glitter shimmer. I'm gonna take this shimmer color and then just apply this on my inner corners. And then that's all I'm gonna do for my eyes. I wish I had a purple blush, but I don't have it. I had one, but I finished it. So I'm on the hunt for a really nice purple blush. And if I had it right now, this look would be complete, but unfortunately I don't have it. So I'm just using a pink blush, but I guess pink works. But a purple blush would be better. I'm gonna go with this color, purplish pink. I'm gonna throw on my contacts and I'll be back. All right, so this is my final look. A very purpley look today. Thank you so much for getting ready with me. Comment below your favorite summer activity. Like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.